Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. This is our NEET PG test series part 9th. So please go through all 8 test series and this is our ninth. What is TESA? TESA is a testicular sperm aspiration. Testicular sperm aspiration. Okay. Now, limiting amino acid in wheat is lysine and threonine. Now, 25-year-old woman with recurrent episodes of headache, sweating, hypertension is noted to have elevated vinyl mandelic acid and metanephrine. CT scan revealed no abnormality in either adrenal gland. Which of the following is the most probable location of pheochromocytoma here? So this is the most common location at the bifurcation of aorta. Okay. Now, which of the following is a permanent spatial group? That is band. Okay. A 5-year-old boy has multiple asymptomatic oval and circular fainty hypopigmented macules with fine scaling on his face. The most probable clinical diagnosis here is pityriasis alba. Now, composition of Mala-N and Mala-D. Mala-N is norgesterol 0.3 milligram and Mala-D is ethinyl estradiol 0.03 mg. Okay. Now, Mirena is a T-shaped IUCD which releases micrograms 20 micrograms of levonorgestrel. Delirium tremens is characterized by confusion associated with autonomic hyperactivity and tremors. Okay. An anesthetist order an attendant to bring in the oxygen cylinder. He will ask the attendant to identify the correct cylinder by the following which color code, that is black cylinder and white shoulder. Black body and white shoulder we can say. Now, extensive pleural thickening and calcification, especially involving the diaphragmatic pleura, are classical features of asbestosis. Okay. Now, a positive tuberculin test with a firm 15 diameter, dark red film area in duration on the forearm appears 60 hours. Following injected of PPD, the finding is most likely to be consequence of which of the following types of hypersensitivity reaction, that is type 4 hypersensitivity. Okay. Which of the following does not handle free radical in lens, that is vitamin A. Hyaluronic acid is found in vitreous humor. It is mainly found in vitreous humor. Which of the following is true of judicial hanging, that ligature always present below the chin? Remember, high yield MCQ. A person present with acute poisoning with clinical picture of chills and rigors similar to malaria, which is most likely the poisoning, that is zinc poisoning. Brain is preserved in all of the following poisonings except heavy metal poisoning. Cytosolic cytochrome C plays an important role in apoptosis. Sexual asphyxia is associated which of the following masochism? Post-transplant lymphoma occurs due to proliferation of which of the following cells? B cells. Natural killer cells attack which of the following cells? Cells which not able to express MHC1. Which is autosomal dominant Best disease? Treatment of choice for glue ear is laryngotomy with ventilation tube insertion. Okay, this one. All of the following are contraindicated in pregnancy except labetalol used in severe pregnancy, hypertension. The following drug is not useful in MRSA methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus, that is cefacolor. Cefacolor is not helpful. Now, northern blot is used in separation of which for messenger RNAs. So guys, have a good day. Goodbye. That's all for today. This question also asked in NEET IIMS PG 2018 November exam. So guys, have a good day. Goodbye. That's all for today. If you like this video, put like on it, and if you have any queries, any comment, you can ask me. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you. Good day and goodbye.